If you use Todoist every day, knowing how to move tasks quickly can save you a ton of time and keep your workspace organized. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to move tasks in Todoist on web and desktop using a few simple methods, including moving a single task, changing a task project while editing, moving multiple tasks at once, and drag and drop reordering. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software guides just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, let's look at the easiest way to move a single task on Todoist using the task menu. On the web or desktop version, hover over the task you want to move. You'll see a 3 dots icon appear on the right side of the task. Click those 3 dots to open the task options menu. From there, choose Move To. Todoist will then show you a list of your destination projects or sections. Select the project or section where you want the task to go, and Todoist will instantly move it for you. This is a great method when you already know exactly where the task belongs and you want to move it without dragging anything around. Now, here's a faster trick if you're already editing the task name or details. While you're typing or editing a task, just type the hashtag symbol or the number sign followed by the project name you want. Todoist will suggest matching projects as you type. You can quickly pick the new project right from the list, which makes it super convenient when you're creating or updating a task and want to place it in the right project immediately. This method is especially useful if you like using keyboard shortcuts and want to stay in flow without clicking through menus. If you need to move more than one task at the same time, Todoist also gives you a bulk move option. Start by holding Shift and clicking the first task in the group. Then hold Shift again and click the last task in the group. This selects multiple tasks in the list. Once the tasks are selected, look for the Move button in the top action bar. Click it and then choose the new destination project or section you want to send those tasks to. This is perfect for reorganizing a whole batch of tasks, cleaning up a list, or moving related items into the right project all at once. There's also a super simple drag and drop method for rearranging tasks manually. Hover over the far left side of the task until you see the 6-dot handle appear. Click and hold that handle, then drag the task up or down until it's in the exact position you want. Release it to drop the task into place. This is ideal when you just want to reorder tasks inside the same project or section without opening extra menus. It gives you a fast visual way to organize your work exactly how you want it. So to recap, you can move a task in Todoist by opening the 3-dot menu and choosing Move To, by typing the hashtag symbol while editing to switch projects quickly, by selecting multiple tasks with Shift and using the Move button, or by dragging tasks with the 6-dot handle to reorder them. Each method is useful depending on how many tasks you need to move and how quickly you want to do it. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Todoist tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.